Hey Easy Technology fans, I'm going to finally be playing Minecraft Java Edition for my first time. So let's go ahead and get it started and see how the game goes. Let's go ahead and try the multiplayer. Okay, looks like I'm finally into the game. I'm not sure what to do right now, but let's explore. Looks like those are some game menus. Looks like we're on different blocks. Oh, he's hitting me. So it looks like I'm in a specific game mode that I'm supposed to go and fight the other person. Let me start collecting some blocks and placing them to form a bridge and kill this man. Oh, it looks like he just died. I won. Alright, thanks for watching everybody.